Now how's that for a beautiful morning? Huh? It's a little while before sunrise. It won't come up over for a little short while yet, but it is getting daylight out. Look at this nice place we found on the lake. We'll be back here when it gets a little more daylight out. Yeah, it's a little dark out yet, so we'll be back in a second. A couple of fishing boats just unloaded and taken off for the day. There's some docks and boat ramp just over there to the left. You know what's nice about this place is you know, it's just relaxing. People will come out and go fish along the shores or take the boats out or jet skis. We'll see what happens today. All right, now that it's a little more daylight out, come on, girl. We have traveled over halfway across the country, I guess. We're over the halfway point. Come on, girl. And about one of the nicest things I have to report is we have found nice soft green grass, larger trees, and there's the other these over there. We just took a little walk over here to the dumpster, get rid of a bag of trash. Beautiful lake out there. So hello everybody and welcome back. We are, I don't know, roughly, I don't know if it's quite 100 miles east of Dallas, Texas. Well out of the desert at this point. We're at we're camping. We found this park that's free camping for up to 7 days. There's no hookups, but it's a nice big park. Park wherever the heck you want. An officer comes around. It's patrolled regularly. They come around. You don't have to go to an office or call anybody or visit no website. They just come around and fill out little forms with your information, say here's your permit. So that's pretty easy, and they're very friendly. But yeah, we're just south of, this is only a couple miles south of Mount Pleasant, Texas. And I mean just a couple miles. I think it's maybe 4 or 5 miles into town, up to the nearest Walmart and other stores and restaurants and stuff. But what a nice find this was. Right just off Interstate 30, so very convenient, free, peaceful. It's well patrolled. I haven't seen a single piece of trash in the entire park. It's very clean, well maintained. It's I forget what it's called, the Fort something Freshwater Authority or the supply, or I forget exactly what it's called, but yeah, we were very happy to have found this place. Go on, girl. Yeah, it turned out to be a really nice day. It's warmed up. It has warmed up really nice. Guy over there with his dog sitting in the pavilion. Probably come out to enjoy his lunch. And other people over here in the swimming area, out there getting some sun. Good day for it. Plenty of sunshine. Where is it? There's one camper van over there that had a trailer behind it with some kayaks. And some other day users. They've been here for a couple of nights. We've been here for almost a week. And just enjoying it. It's just such a nice place. Hi, girl. You want to go in the water for a little bit? What do you think? Huh? You want to go get your paws wet? In just a minute. So the swimming area says no alcoholic beverages allowed, but it doesn't say anything about no dogs. But we're gonna go up here a little bit. We don't want to. There are a couple people in the water, but we don't want to go. It's not cool to let your dog in swimming with by people. She's just gonna go up here and get her paw. She don't swim anyway, not much. Sometimes a little bit, but She just likes to go splash around, get her paws. Her paws wet. Come here, I'll let you off. Come on. Come on, come here, come here. Come here. Bella. Bella. I know you're, come here. Gotta get off the, come here. Bella, come on. Come on. Come on. Okay. She says, heck yeah. Look at all these little shells. There you go. Up to about chest, till her chest starts getting wet a little bit. And she's like, that's about as deep enough for me. That's about as deep as she goes. Usually. I don't know what's going on here. The water seems kind of murky in this area, but when you get down around the corner further, it's not. I don't know what causes that here. All right, you in for a little dip? Huh? You in getting wet? Come on, ready? Go. That feel good? Pretty warm day today, huh? Nice freshwater lake. It's getting brave. She's getting out there a little bit. She's getting that's getting out there a little bit. Atta girl. Atta girl. Shake it off. Alright, I did hear, and this lake goes way out around there. The bridge it goes across, but I don't know how many acres this lake is, but it's huge. It's a big old lake. There's somebody's got a pontoon boat, and that's pretty far for you to see there. The pontoon boat up there sitting. Probably somebody on the deck getting some sun today. Like I say, there's other people up here got their little flotation devices. And, other people just out getting some sun. Yeah, and then this one. And then there's this one. Alright, you had your fun? Huh? Seeing if you don't actually swim. You had your fun? You get cooled off? Come on, let's get back up here and get your leash on. Come on. There you go. Come on. Yeah, she needs a haircut. Bad. You get so thick. It's so thick, it's like to the second knuckle. Her hair doesn't lay down so much as it just fluffs. It just sticks out. She's really not quite as wide as she looks. And it's just so thick. Oh man. Huh? You're gonna get a haircut this year. Yeah, I wish this little camera had zoom. There are some beautiful homes over across the other side. Some beautiful, beautiful homes. Yep. All right, Bella, come on, let's walk that off and get you dried up a bit. Come on. And the warm weather is still chasing us. It's gonna be, I think, in the upper 80s to 87, I think it's called out for, forecasted for today. Then into the low 90s tomorrow. We can like scoot out of here in the morning. It's a huge park. Here we go, check that out. That's kind of, I'm thinking of doing something similar to that maybe this summer, or for next season, is getting a little travel trailer for behind the van, maybe traveling in it just for something different, change things up a bit. Probably don't need a travel trailer quite that big. I think that's a Nissan van. And if I had to guess, that's probably roughly a 22 foot or so long travel trailer. But yeah, that would be nice. And nice pontoon boat. Got some people, oh, it is much later in the day. People out doing stuff. There's a couple sitting out there by the water. Pontoon boat going across the lake. There's a group of people sitting over there. They're not fishing. They're not camping. They just come out in their cars and set up some lawn chairs, and they're just sitting there enjoying the late afternoon, enjoying the nice breeze, nice steady breeze that makes it pretty comfortable. There's a Class C way over there that came in. It's got canoes strapped to the top, and yeah, we're over there. Probably gonna get the car hooked up yet this evening. I think we're gonna be leaving in the morning. Get on the road again. Oh, I was saying earlier what this, I forgot what it was. It's this facility is a Titus County Freshwater Supply District Number 1. Oh, that's, again, I forget the name of the lake itself. And it's nice that they have that kind of retaining wall built around much of the lake, at least in the park area here, except for some areas like the swimming area and some of the designated fishing area. That's kind of like a boat ramp, although I don't know, actually there's no access to it. Maybe it was the old boat ramp. I don't know why that's not why that's open like that. But then there are public restrooms down there with running water, flushable toilets and stuff. No showers. Yeah, it's what a beautiful day it is. Jeez. I did mark this place down as I'm traveling through this area, whatever. It's definitely come back here again. Can't beat it. 7 days free. There's a I guess a pontoon boat. Right, pretty nice one. It had 90 horsepower Mercury on it. And they do have a little boat dock thing down there. Oops, Bella yanked. Bumped the camera. You yanked. Give me a yank there, girl. You gave me a yank there, girl. But there's like emergency, like, yeah, somebody needs help on the water. Emergency rescue boats there. So yeah, quite a nice place. That little white truck pulling in. I think he's the same. That's the same truck that pulled in yesterday afternoon too. Must be like a guy gets off work and comes up and goes fishing for a while. So yeah, I think we're gonna get the car hooked up here before it gets dark. So we're ready to leave early in the morning. Probably leave before the sun's even up. Probably like it was this morning. It starts getting light out. The sun's not quite up yet. We'll be pulling out of here. So I was gonna check it out, make sure I did it right. Huh? No, we're not going anywhere till morning. All right, car's all hooked up. We're ready to. We'll be ready to roll. That's it. Huh, girl? We'll be ready to roll in the morning. We'll be ready to go. Come on. Dun, 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 dun. I don't know what's going on. Birds are squawking. Coming over across the water. In for a landing. Alright. The sun is set. So, got my awning put in. Little window awning. And it's going to be a beautiful evening. People still hanging out. Another van camper type van pulled in. People hanging out this evening. The park doesn't close till 11. Then they close the gate. It doesn't open back up till 4 a.m. Opens early for fishermen. In case of an emergency, you can leave. You can pull up to the gate, close to it, and it'll automatically open. But then, if you try to come back in, it won't. It won't open until 4 a.m. So that helps keep some of the nighttime, middle of the night people just out. You know what I mean? Keeps them out. Well, this is sort of how we started the video. Only it was in the morning. It was the sunrise. The beautiful sky now. The sun sets. People out, kids out playing, and people enjoying the evening. Yeah, this is. I put this on my list of favorites. It's peaceful, well kept. It's a clean park. I don't know if I already said it or not. I haven't seen a piece of trash anywhere. It's very well kept. So tomorrow we will probably travel about 150 miles to the northeast to Campground, Army Corps of Engineer facility, Campground. And I'll probably actually plug in at that place and stay for a night or two. But we continue to make our way to the northeast. The weather is starting to break up there. It's tolerable. It's not like this, but I just really like it here. All right. Yeah, thanks for hanging out a little bit today, checking this park out. Wonderful place to stay if you're in the area. So we'll check back in soon with our next video. I'll see you.